Hello guys, I am going to show you the cutting of my gentleman's bar, which has a lot of exfoliating ingredients like clay and charcoal. The scent is Black Amber Musk, which is a more masculine scent that a lot of people enjoy. So let's get this out of the 5-pound mold. Up and out. Look at the cool design on the bottom there. Pretty fancy. So now I'm going to take it and mark the bars at 1 inch. I like doing it this way because I feel like this makes the bars a little bit bigger than 1 inch, but I'm also not good at cutting straight lines, so we'll shave the end off. Sorry for the camera being crooked the first part of the video, I didn't check.